This is the blue list. Number 1, pliers. I used the pliers to pull the nail out of the board. Number 2 is blouse. I ironed my blouse before work. Number 3 is plate. I served a plate of fruit for dessert. Number 4 is slipper. Cinderella lost her glass slipper. Number 5 is blanket. Because it was chilly, I wrapped myself up in a blanket. Number 6 is block. Pick up your things so they don't block the aisle. Number 7 is slide. When you use the slide, you need to sit all the way down and face forward. Number 8 is please. People are impressed when you say please and thank you. Number 9 is plum. I ate the purple plum as my dessert with my lunch. Number 10 is sled. On a snowy day, I used my sled to ride down the hill. Number 11 is plane. The plane was late because of the bad weather. Number 12 is sleep. I need to get some extra sleep tonight, so I'll go to bed early. Number 13 is blind. There is a special thing called Braille that allows blind people to read. Number 14 is blue. The strong wind blew the flag pole over. Number 15 is slowly. Ride your bike slowly down the street.